Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by inspecting the frame and lens. Look for stripped screws, bent hinges, or missing nose pads. This tells you which parts to replace. Once identified, collect a precision screwdriver, micro tweezers, a spare screw kit, and optional thread locker so parts stay put. Make sure to work on a soft cloth to protect lenses and keep parts visible. This reduces risk of losing tiny components and speeds the repair process. You remove the damaged screw while stabilizing the temple. Supporting the hinge prevents frame cracking. If the hinge is bent, use fine pliers to nudge it back into alignment because correct geometry ensures smooth opening and even stress distribution. Once aligned, insert a replacement screw. Use tweezers if tiny and tighten until snug, not over tight. If screws loosen frequently, a drop of low-strength thread locker will keep them secured without making future removal impossible. You reassemble by seating lenses or pads and aligning temples, then check tension by opening and closing several times to ensure smooth motion. Make micro adjustments to temple angle so frames sit square on your face and vision remains centered, because poor fit causes discomfort. Finally, inspect for wobble and do a short wear test. If a screw strips or the hinge won't hold, switch to a slightly larger screw or
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.